All right, what's going on? Just about every day, sooner or later, I'm going to get that one question. And this is mostly from people that are already in LiveGood in other people's groups. But we all kind of, I guess, become friends. And hey, what are you guys doing? And hey, you over there, what capture page? And hey, what technique works? We're all kind of putting our ear to the ground and seeing if other people in LiveGood will give some advice, or maybe just something on the internet you can see, maybe on a YouTube video, will spur that idea on how to get 1 million people in your downline, and you can buy a laptop and a Lamborghini and go on the beach and get a sunburn while you fry your laptop, and you have to take your rented Lamborghini back. But okay, there's obviously a whole bunch of ways to try to get people interested in your business. Or in this case, how do they just go and click something? They watch a 6-minute video of our CEO, Ben, and is that enough? Is that 6-minute video, is it compelling enough? Is it enough information where somebody can ask themselves three things? Number one, do I even want to do this? Do I want the products? Do I want to be an affiliate? Do I want a business and a headache? Most people are like, hell no. Do you want to make money? Yes. But do you want a business? No. I get it. I want a pile of money, but I don't have to work for it. So if you guys will send in all your savings to me tomorrow, that'd be great. Well, it's not that easy. With that 6-minute video, we're hoping that they can at least make a decision. Do they want to just buy the products wholesale with a membership fee? That's kind of cool. The company kicked off with that template. All right. And I buy the products, so I hope they don't get rid of that division, because I actually like buying these products for cheap. All right. Number two is, do I want to be an affiliate? Do I want a business? Because a lot of people, they don't. And I don't think you want a business. I think I want entertainment. I don't want a business because I equate business to unfun. I almost want to have fun, make money, and I definitely don't want a business if I can't have fun. So man, I'm really being a pain in the ass to myself. So, but seriously, if you want to make money with LiveGood, you've got to make a decision. And do I want to be an affiliate or not? Third decision is, I don't give a rat's ass about this. I watched a video link and okay, thanks, but no thanks. Okay. Some people need a little bit more. It's not that we're going to hold your hand, but they need some more training. They need techniques. And I think the best way is to see what the top 3 groups of people are doing in LiveGood, because they're in the top 10. I've looked at all of them. They're all over the place. One group is in Europe. Another one is down south of me. Our number one is Jeff in Texas. And then there's groups, even the group that I signed up in, incredible. They kick ass too. And they're kind of right by here, just right next to me here in Utah. So there's a lot of good groups. And it shows the top 100 people in the LiveGood leadership. I guess you'd call it the tab. You click that tab, and if you guys are in LiveGood, you know what I mean. It shows the top 100 people with at least how many people are on their front line, on their number one position, sign up underneath them. So to get 700, that's incredible. And we're talking only 3 months. This company's going on month number 4, going into 5. They kicked off December 13th. Right now, it's just the beginning of May. So they're theoretically on their almost 5th month. And Jeff has already got 500 frickin' people. Wow, that is crazy. 600 a few weeks ago, and now he's almost on 700. Every day I get up, I go to the leaderboard just to hit refresh and see what he's doing. I can't help but go, what are you doing? What are you doing? And what he's doing, I'm going to show you. He invented his own software and his own techniques. I don't know if you call it software, but it's just instructions on how to configure something so that it will do exactly what I'm going to show you. Okay, so I'm going to snap my fingers and disappear. He invented the easy commission funnel, all right? And what people do is they just hit the play button here. They watch him talk for a little bit. And then right here, see with his instruction, when people say lock in your spot with our team, even though I didn't sign up directly underneath him, my sponsor did. Okay, and my sponsor's bad at. My sponsor's in the top 10, almost the top 5 of the entire company. So man, I got the Avengers in my group. I've got like Thor and Tony Stark Iron Man. So anyway, see when you hit this, Watch what it does. It goes to the capture page of where you put your name and your email address in to the official LiveGood capture page. This is what locks you in, where you can sign in and get your own username and be an affiliate for $40. Or, obviously, if you just want to buy the products wholesale, there's a $9.95 $9.95 is what it costs a month to be a member with the company. Okay. And you can cancel anytime. There is no there's no automatic charging or no contract or nothing. It's like, hey, you want a month? $9.95. You want to buy some more? $9.95. So it's a very easy system to understand, that's for sure. But when you want people to come to you, and everyone's going to call it, I'd say, attraction marketing. That's probably the most common. You've got to at least have an email or a message that they first click to. And this is the page. This is the number one way that Jeff is getting all the fish. He's got so many, we're all worried there's not going to be any more. But there is. All right, the company's only 5 months old. There's only 40,000 people in America. So for anyone American watching this, that means less than 800 people in each state even know about LiveGood. So if you're watching this video now, May of 2023, we just barely started. It's starting to get good. So if you sign in now, it's good timing. What I want to do is, if you sign up, I'm going to give you a couple software choices, and it's up to you which capture page you use, because you can have your own. You might just want to go ahead and use this one. People click your link, like, for example, I own joincorey.com. You might just want to have people go directly to this, because this is an insanely awesome capture page. Not only is this guy like 30-something years old and he's a paid model, he doesn't even know how to spell LiveGood, but he looks good in a blue shirt. That's why he's there. You hit this button here, and it's a 6-minute video of Ben, our CEO, just telling you about the company and the opportunity. And then you put your name and your email here if you'd like to lock in. And it doesn't mean you join. It just means you're locked into our company. You're in a certain position in my group. And if you want to go ahead and join, you got to do it by Thursday night at midnight. Because if not, then everybody that is locked in after you moves above you and goes right in my downline in the power line. And that's a whole other video. I just want to show you that if you do join my group, I recommend you use a couple things that the leaders are doing. Okay. Now, the main reason I like you to go to Easy Commission is because if you do have leads going there, and if you do get a lot of leads and they come here, it's okay, because they can look at this opportunity, make a decision. If they want to just opt out and disappear, they just hit the cross sign, on the top right of the web page or whatever, and it's gone. Okay. But if you get too many leads coming in, like you're buying leads that go directly to this capture page, this is the official, remember, capture page of LiveGood. If you get way too many people coming here and they put a bunch of spam here, like the other day I got Elvis Presley. I had another guy from South Africa, but ABCDGLPO. I mean, his name was 7, like more than the alphabet even had. I mean, it was insanely funny. But they all use their real email address because they want to get into the LiveGood thing and kind of kick some tires and see what we're doing. So nonetheless, this capture page you don't want to abuse. And if you have a bunch of leads coming in and everything else, it is recommended that they go to a page like this first. And then when they click this orange button, it will go here. And then they can go ahead and make a decision to buy products or become an affiliate. So if you want to go ahead and do LiveGood as an affiliate and start earning some money, or at least get the opportunity to, just go to joincorey.com. Link will be underneath this video. Super easy. And the other, I guess, capture pages of other team leaders, they go ahead and they just email me the share codes and how to set it up. And it takes like a half hour to an hour. I mean, it's not that it's easy and it's not that hard. Just take your time, get a drink, watch a video, do what they say. Watch another video, do what they say. And before you know it, you're at the end of the video and you have your own opportunity to go ahead and send people to that page. And then they click another button and it goes to the LiveGood capture page. It's a safe way to keep you legit with the company, especially if you're starting to get a lot of leads. Okay. And don't buy them. Please do not go online and say, hey, asshole, do you have 500 leads I can buy for 500 bucks? And they'll go, yeah. And what they'll do is they'll go buy 500 leads off somebody for 50 cents and they'll try to sell it to you for $1. And then if you don't want to buy them for $1, they'll offer you a deal at 75 cents. All they do is rehash the same bullshit. I've bought leads before. And with my software, I can check and see if the email addresses are even deliverable. And usually 25 to 30% aren't. Because, I'll try to email someone that probably passed away 2 years ago. They shut down the email address. But then again, some butthole's trying to sell me that fresh, hungry lead for, 50 cents when the person passed away, unfortunately, 2 years ago. So anyway, don't buy leads. There's much better ways to get people to come to you. And you'll see what I mean. Just be fun, be interesting, post interesting stuff. I hate when I say be interesting. It sounds rude. Just post interesting things. Use humor, use trivia, anything to get people to look at your post on TikTok or maybe Instagram, Facebook. There's a million social medias out there now, isn't there? And just be interesting, and people might go, you know what, I'm going to click that link. And if they go ahead and lock in on the LiveGood capture page with the guy in the blue shirt pointing, then you're on your way, because there's a 30-day email campaign. Even with Easy Commission, I have now 2 or 3 weeks worth of automated emails that Easy Commission takes over. It just starts emailing for you. And if you go into the LiveGood capture page, it does the same thing. So you can focus on getting more leads. Let the company train and answer all the questions. There's customer support. There's a trillion videos out now that explain LiveGood. Let them decide, or at least teach what people want. Let them decide what they're seeking and let the video explain. Because, man, you could be on the phone for 8 hours a day just on 3 people. Because you're always going to have that one person that signs up. They don't do jack shit, but yet they have 7,000 questions. I'm like, well, are you going to take action and even try to get like one person to at least look at the 6-minute video? I don't know, but how's the matrix of the power line and the dynamics of the calories versus the organic hemp mix of the coffee? And I'm like, I don't know. Get a couple teaspoons of coffee and put it up your ass. And if it makes you feel good, then hey, that might be some good organic coffee we sell. Maybe I'll buy some. So anyway, don't waste time on people that ask 1,000 questions and then they don't even do anything anyway. They just like to be a part of something. And I'm so busy. I'm so busy doing nothing. But man, I'm really learning a lot the last 6 months without doing something. So, all right, well, take your time, make a decision. I think LiveGood's a lot of fun. It's entertaining as hell to me. That's why I love doing videos every day and trying to help you guys make a decision either to join my group or someone else if you're going to be an affiliate. And if you want some badass products, just check it out. Go to the capture page, go to joincorey.com, look at all the products, look at the wholesale prices, add a couple bucks for shipping because it comes out of Jupiter, Florida. And that way you can at least see what we do as far as products. So, all right, kids, I've got me a little Powerade. Man, that was a lot of talking in a couple minutes. So I'm going to polish off the rest of this and we'll talk to you next video. All right, you guys take care and have a good day. All right.